going to be making pasta, so I thought I'd start by showing you that I use clay with a little bit of slight yellow gold and translucent, and mix it, and I get a nice chunk of the perfect color pasta. I use this to create this, and there you have it. As I do that, I'm going to now take the little string I made of clay. I'm going to take a pin, as you can see. I'm going to press that against the pin, and I'm going to twist it on the pin. And the idea here is to wrap it and create a coating of clay all over the pin. Sometimes I use this to help me get a nice smooth coating. As you can see, here we go. There we are. You can use your fingers, or you can just whatever surface you feel comfortable using. I like to get it as smooth and as thin as possible. So there we go. Sometimes extra clay comes out, which is very good because that means you're getting it super thin and not compromising the coating on the wired pin. So you can just pull that, and then once you're done, you want to make sure you expose the pin top, because you'll need that later. And as you can see, there we go. This is ready for a baking. Okay, now that we have baked them in the recommended heat and time, they turn out to look like this. And now you have a cooked, covered needle with clay. So how we're going to turn this into pasta? Well, simple. What we want to do is separate the clay from the needle. So you want to just take a nice little tool that'll help you turn it around to release the grip that the clay has on the needle, and simply slide it out. And there you go. Let's try that again. Hold the needle head. And this is why I recommend you keep that needle head exposed. It's easier to do. Twist and pull. This one's a little bit more difficult because I didn't expose the needle head. So what I'll do is cut a little bit of clay off of it, because things like this do happen. There we go. All right, so let's give this a try. Okay. Yep, still hooked there. Hang on one second. Oh, there we go. There, I cleared it. Okay, there we go. So we twist, and then it becomes much, much easier. There we go. Okay, and my last one. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that this one is separated from the needle head. Okay. I twist it, and here we go. Well, that was easy, except I didn't hold on to the needle very well. And there you have it. Now you have this nice tubed piece of pasta clay. So as you can see, I have quite a bit of it right here. So what do we do next? Well, I'll show you. We'll take our little cutting base, and let me get my little X-Acto knife here. There we go. And you want to just take and slightly take off the tip, angle it to make it look like pasta, And then you just start cutting. And there you go. And there you go. Be careful not to cut yourself. You have to take your time. Do not rush the skin. You're dealing with a very sharp blade here. So you don't want to cut yourself. Now the last one takes a little bit of a trick. You just want to grab it from the front and just cut that little edge off. There we are. Now, here we go. You got quite a bit of little pasta noodles right there. And they turn out to look like this. You put these in a little container until you fill up your pasta jar. And there you go.